that will be present their presentation. And for the first presenters will be presented by Ayu, and then the second presenters will be presented by Dinda, and then the last presenter will be presented by Rahma. So for the first presenters, I'm yours.
Thank you. Good afternoon, everyone. Like Miroski said in 2003, people seldom realize that humanity's journey to knowledge aspire to one goal, to know oneself and one's soul, and to know the part of the universe that connects us with it. The unity of spiritual and physical health of the human being can be attained through this search. Miroski 2003. This book is talk about some things behind the common things in the world. This is a human soul. This book tells about the healing and empowering someone's inner strength to solve their own problem. So ladies and gentlemen, I'm Nikita Yudanisi as the reporter of a non-fiction book entitled Create Your Own Destiny, Spiritual Path to Success. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, today I'd like to give you the report of non-fiction book. I will give you the review of this book. Like I've told you before, this book entitled Create Your Own Destiny, Spiritual Path to Success. This book written by Rachel Miroski, and this book is about how you create your own destiny, your own dream in your life by eliminate the problem that you have to face in the future or in the present time. Let's come to the discussion. My focus on this review is on the biographical sketch of the writer, the physical description of the book, and also the summary and the strength of the book, also the personal opinion as the reporter. Ladies and gentlemen, let's come to my first discussion. This is the biographical sketch of the writer. Ladies and gentlemen, this book is written by Rachel Miroski. She was a medical student, and she is an internationally published, award-winning author of several books and a renowned authority on the bioenergy healing and energy medicine. So she is able to heal or to empower someone because of her educational background is medical study. And for many years, she was responsible for the graduate student projects in the department in graduate studies at the Grodno Technological College in Belarus. So she has the educational background of the medical study. So she is able to give the motivation of the two people that has inner problem to help them to have to make them easier to chase their dream or their destiny. Ladies and gentlemen, let me introduce you the physical appearance of this book. That I told you before, this book is written by Rachel Miroski. Rachel Miroski. From the color, you can see the color is blue, or blue and orange. This book, this color represent the first is the silence or the serenity of human life, and the second one is this is the picture of sunrise, which represent the new hopes when someone forget their own problem, and after they recover their problem by having the newest motivation of their life by having this book. And by having this book, we can know that this book was published in 2003 by Avanti House, And also you can buy this book by the contact person inside of this book, and also the price is 67 Indonesian rupiah, and also this book consists of 79 pages, and also this book consists of 13 chapters, and also 13 chapters, and also 22 chapters of illustration, and also consists of 12 poems written by the author's son, who is Nathaniel Medersky. Ladies and gentlemen, let's come to the summary of this book. Because of this book consists of 13 chapters, I'd like to give you the brief information about the summary. This book is about the step of the author to give the healing tricks or the empowered tricks, because we know that this book is aimed for the workers who have the inner problem of their own souls or their beloved one, to give the solution of their problems of life. And also by having this book, the reader serves as many kinds of illustration. Illustration here is the pictures like this. The pictures like this. This illustration is aimed for the reader to make more understanding to the reader, so they will know how to give the meaningful of their own problem. For example, this illustration is about the meridian. Meridian means something horizontal on their own problem. It will be discussed in this book. And also there is illustration that talk about, which is about the karma cycle. This in that chapters about the karma cycles, this book said that when we do something, there will be the feedback to us, because what we have done, it will be gotten for us. So if you do something bad to others, then there will be something bad also happen to you in the next time. So this is called as the karma cycles. And also this book also serves us many poems, for about 12 poems written by Nathaniel Medersky, which is who is a son of Rachel Medersky. He gives us the poems like this. In every chapter, in every explanation of this book, there will be the poems that make us more have the imagination toward the problems inside of this book. For example, like this. This chapter is about forgotten and recovered. That I have read. This book is about this chapter is about when you have a problem. The first one, before you solve this problem, you have to after you solve the problem, you have to forget the problem, and after that you recover by having a new power of yourself to make you to allow you to recover your own power, your own motivation of life, so it will make you better in the future. And after that, Nathaniel Medersky gives us the poems, The Times Is. By giving these poems, Nathaniel Nathaniel gives us the imagination how we run the time, how we spend the time wisely. Okay, this is the strength of the book. But I'm here as the reporter of non-fiction book. I have to be neutral, so I will give you 3 strengths and also 3 weaknesses. But the weaknesses is covered by the personal opinion later on. But I have to give you the strengths of the book first. The first is to be easier to identify common problem by giving the poems that I've told you before, that after the Nathaniel Medorsky give us the poems, it will allow us to have more imagination of our problem, so makes us more understanding about how to solve our problem, how to motivate our own souls, so the recovering of ourselves will rise up. And the second one is to be able to help heal and empower self-problem. That I've taught you that this book allows us to have the step by step to heal and empower our own soul and our own self to have a betterment in the future. And the next is the more certain to the goals you want to accomplish, both of the personal and professional life. That I've taught you that this book, besides for personal, for personally, it is also a lot for professional one, because the story inside of this book, gives us the solution and steps to be more careful to solve our own problem. This is my own opinion about this book. After reading this book, I can conclude that the reader should have background knowledge about terms of healing souls. The chapter karma cycle, that is the term of karma. If someone who doesn't know yet about karma, they will look for in the glossary one. There is the information about the healing and empowering terms in this book, because this book also gives us the certain term of medical, like sexual organ, astral body, aura, and others. Acupuncture also. So the reader should have the background of information about this book. So they will, because of this book, there is the first book, the previous books of this book. So the reader forced to know about the background knowledge of the term of inside this book. And the second, this book doesn't offer any guarantees. Like we thought that this book is about healing and empowering someone's souls. So the author only give the step without giving the guarantees, because we know that in a certain book they said that in bahasa, jika tidak bisa uang Anda akan kembali, like that. But this book there is no guarantee, and there is the statement, and also the author and the publisher disclaim any liability in connection with the use of this book. There is a statement like this. The author of this book is not a medical doctor, but only a medical student. Because after that, when she got the medical study, she became a counselor or the associate